Now we are at the bar counter. Here is where we take the drinks to take it to the customer.
So you made cocktails here?
Yes, we make cocktails. That one.
Hi,
This is
Daniela.
the woman bar.
Bar woman?
Yes, so bar woman.
Okay.
And here we do the coffee, the drinks, the cocktails, and here we have the machines that we use to do the coffee.
What is this?
Here we have, for example, here is the coffee knock box. Here we put the coffee beans,
Okay.
and then the coffee beans come out like a coffee powder, because here we have the coffee grinder.
Okay, so it grinds the coffee beans, okay?
And here we have the coffee tamper, where we...
You used to dump it?
Yes.
Okay, and then you make coffee there?
And this is the machine to do the coffee.
An espresso machine, I mean?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the milk powder, where we